Hurricane Dorian slams into the Bahamas.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Category 5 Hurricane Dorian slammed into the Bahamas with winds of 185 miles per hour and gusts of up to 220 miles per hour, battering the country, flooding many communities, overturning cars, and leaving many families displaced. The hurricane is being described as one of the strongest on record for the Atlantic Hurricane Basin. Prime Minister Dr. Hubert Minnis wept as he told the country that this is the saddest and worst day of his life. Several areas remain inundated and impassable. Roofs of houses have been destroyed.
I'm devastated.
Leaving thousands exposed to the elements. The hurricane's landfall in the Bahamas is said to be stronger than Hurricanes Irma's in Barbuda, St. Martin, and the British Virgin Islands in 2017. On Sunday, the hurricane intensified with wind speed increasing by 36 miles per hour in less than 8 hours. At 7 p.m. Nassau time, the center of Hurricane Dorian was located at 70 miles east of Freeport with maximum sustained winds of 185 miles per hour. Dorian is said to be moving towards the west at near 5 miles per hour, and a slower westward motion is forecast for the next day or two, followed by a gradual turn toward the northwest. Meanwhile, more videos are emerging on social media showing the devastation and destruction being inflicted on the Caribbean country.
No, they can't stay there for a couple of days. Oh my.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.